Hey everyone, I'm here today to tell you about the scam that Ravencrest Tactical is running. So I just received this knife today, and I was curious because of a very unique design it looks like on there, and I searched it online, and this is not a exclusive Ravencrest Tactical product, the Order of the Iron Raven that they claim. This is actually just an imported knife that some companies will actually stamp and put other things on there. So if you want, there's a nice picture of it. You can take it, you can scan it, you can order it from other places, cheaper than Ravencrest. It's not exclusive. This one right here, even more so. If you're in the US, you missed out on the Ravencrest. If you happen to miss out on this Ravencrest Tactical Order of the Iron Raven June month knife, feel lucky. Feel very lucky, because I paid $29 for this knife to have an exclusive Ravencrest knife. And me, like everyone else that received this in June, was duped. This knife right here is available for $15, if not less, on Amazon. Take your phone, Google search it, it'll pop up with numerous Amazon ads. It just won't have the little, well, it's not even a fancy Ravencrest Tactical symbol on there. So if you really want this knife, then that's a whole lot better deal. You could buy 2 knives for the price that they were charging people there. So these 2 knives right here, Ravencrest Tactical, scams. I don't know what's going on with them. I understand they used to import a lot of their parts and everything and try to make them, and they're made in the USA or they're assembled in the USA. Well, this right here is completely fraudulent stuff, because they are claiming that you get exclusive knives for joining their Order of the Iron Raven, and these are not exclusive. These are far from exclusive. They claim on their website you cannot get these anywhere else. That's completely false. So I just wanted to let everyone out there know this. This will be the last month that I'll be with them, because yeah, they don't deserve anybody's money. Take care, guys.